My name is Helena Hill and I'm from Cwmbran.
Fy enw I yw Bethan ac dwi'n dod o CRIW/uni.
Hi, I'm Chloe Davis and I am from Fairwater in Cardiff.
The reason I chose the career apprenticeship is because of what kind of experience it includes. So my background is got nothing to do with the industry. My parents are decorators. I had no connections at all. So what really appealed to me is the fact that I will be able to get a lot of connections from this apprenticeship, and I'll also get a lot of experience and hopefully find the right department for me.
I chose to do the career apprenticeship because I wanted a support network around me before entering the industry, and just more chances, placements and the opportunity to learn new skills.
I was in another job in another media studios, but I wasn't being able to be taught. I was more having to do it a lot off my own back, and I wasn't really getting anywhere. And then I heard about the apprenticeship and I thought it was right up my street.
So I definitely have more of the creative side of me. I'd like to do screenwriting, definitely. But at the moment I'm still trying to figure that out. I'm trying to see all the different sides of the industry.
I'd probably say just to try and experience as many opportunities as possible. I do focus on makeup and hair, but if there's a chance or an opportunity where I can learn something else, I think this would be a great place to do it.
I haven't had chance to look at all of the different sections that make the production, but I would probably like to go into maybe the production runners and work my way up maybe to a director, you never know.